In this video, we will show you how to install the Xiaote Box main control unit on Model 3 manufactured after 2021. First, open the car system and tap the small car icon at the bottom left. Find the safety option, scroll to the bottom and tap Power Off to turn off the vehicle power. Remove the door sill trim panel on the front passenger side. Peel off the rubber strip and gently pull it out. Set it aside. Use the supplied pry tool to remove the trim. Insert the pry tool into the gap and lift out the panel. There are 3 clips in total. Just pry them loose. Next, remove the front trim panel on the door sill. Insert the pry tool into the gap along the clip and pry from the side. Now remove the door sill panel on the right front. Use the pry tool to remove the expansion bolt. Use the pointed end of the pry tool to pull out the center clip. Then use both hands to pull out the base behind it. Use both hands to lift the trim panel from the side. Pull upward while holding to release the clips. Then pull the panel from front to back to remove it. After removing the door sill trim, locate the connectors for pairing. There are 3 plugs in total. First, disconnect the 2 visible plugs, then locate the 3rd plug for connection. Take out the Xiaote Box main unit and wiring harness. Connect the 2 small plugs to their corresponding sockets. Be sure to connect the lower plug as well, or the system will report an error. 2 plugs remain. Connect one to the blue empty socket. The other plug is for electric suction doors or electric door handles. If your car has this function, there will be an existing plug at this position. Unplug it, install the control box harness first. Then insert the original plug into the new port. After installing the control box, do not reinstall everything yet. Use any Type-C cable to power the dashboard. Check if the system correctly reads battery, time, and door status. If everything is correct, proceed to reassembly. Before reinstalling the trim, tuck the plugs away and fix them. Hang them securely in place. Reinstall the side trim panel. Insert the clips on the side first. Align the lower and front clips with their positions and press down. Reinsert the expansion bolt. Press the center pin into place to secure it. Now install the square side trim panel. Ensure the pointed end faces downward and fits into the clip hole. There are 2 holes on the side. Align and insert the clips into them. Finally, align and press in the main clip. Install the triangular trim panel by aligning and pressing each clip. Press down at each clip point. Reposition and press down the rubber strip. The installation of the main control box is now complete.